Is your Nintendo Switch Lite display light coming on and then going off randomly? This usually happens because of loose internal ribbon cables, software glitches, or backlight hardware faults. In this video, I'm gonna show you some effective solutions to get this problem fixed. So, let's get into the fixes. Solution 1. Force restart the console. Hold down the power button at the top of the console. Keep holding for 15 seconds, then release it, and press the power button for 3 seconds. This forces a reboot and usually clears out temporary display glitches. If the screen turns on, great, you're good to go. If not, let's try the other fixes. Solution 2. Check for system updates. If you have pending updates, then the software of your Switch can glitch out and cause the display problem. So, let's try to update it. From the home screen, go to System Settings and open it. Scroll down to System. After that, select System Updates. Make sure you are on the latest version. Updates often fix display issues and screen bugs. Solution 3. Factory Reset. Only if nothing works. Use this as your last resort. From the home screen, go to System Settings and open it. Scroll down to System. Now, go to the right side and scroll down to Formatting options in the bottom. Open it. From here, choose Initialize Console. After that, follow the reset prompts to erase the data of your Nintendo Switch. This will reset most system settings, which could fix display bugs. But if the problem still shows up after the reset, it's confirmed that the problem is hardware related. In that case, you may need a professional repair or screen replacement. You can also contact Nintendo support team from their website for more information. But anyways, if this video helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick Nintendo Switch fixes and tutorials like this. Thanks for watching!